The iScrub 26H features a mesh back pocket mop. You put that on with the flexible part of the iScrub 26H and then put it into the mop frame. The nice thing about this is it also has a scraper. If you have built-on substance on a tabletop, push the fiber back and scrape the surface. Then you do your cleaning action. The other nice feature of the iScrub 26H is it has a black light on the front. You use that for checking your work. So after you clean a surface, wash it with the i-fibre, then turn on the black light to check the cleaning. With the black light, you can check the work by shining over a surface and looking for bright white objects. Germs and bacteria shows up as a very bright white spot. The iScrub 26H is a great component for four-dimensional cleaning. Essential for restroom cleaning, the curved back allows you to clean sinks and non-smooth surfaces. You can easily take off the iScrub 26H pad by just pulling on the tab and putting that into the dirty mop bin.